Welcome to 244 Cove Road in Pinhook, Virginia. This house is located on beautiful Smith Mountain Lake, and it has deep water and a beautiful view of Smith Mountain. So come with me as we tour this home, and I'd love to show it to you. One of my favorite features is that it has 2 levels of living. So we've got a separate kitchen in the lower level, set up as an in-law apartment. Short-term rental income in this area is very high, so you've got that option for you as well. Feel free to reach out to me today if you have any questions, and I'm happy to show you this home. Have a wonderful day.